I signed up for the PI Planning app and skipped the whole initial setup. Now what? Well then, this video is for you. This video is even for you if you only need a refresher on how to use the setup tool to prepare your next PI planning. First step, Teams. Go in the menu on the left side to the menu item called Team. Create your teams attending the PI planning event. To do so, press the button Create New Team. Enter the team name and a password with at least 6 characters. Then press Create. Assign an active license by pressing the blue button with the plus. If you have enough licenses available, it turns into a green sign with a check mark. You can at any time redistribute the licenses. To do so, just hover over the green sign with the check mark. It instantly turns into a red cross. Click it. That removes the license of this particular team. Okay, as soon as you are done with that and all the teams you need in your next PI planning are in the list with the correct name and with an active license assigned, we can move on to the next point. If you start over with the PI planning app for the first time, now would be the time to configure your ALM tool. In this video we will focus on the PI planning configuration part. We have other videos in our documentation on how to configure your ALM tool, or reach out to us if you need help with it. Step 3. PI Planning Session. Navigate to PI Planning Sessions in the menu. Press the button Prepare New PI Planning. In this video, we will show you how to configure the session without an ALM sync. So give your PI Planning session a name. Let's call it PI2 2018. Define how many iterations you will plan and what's the duration of these iterations. Then select None in the ALM drop-down. After that, select the teams attending the PI planning. Press Next to configure the sticky types on the team boards. Names, colors and sticky function. You have 3 sticky functions you can choose from. None. That means it is a plain sticky with no special functionality. The second function is Risk. The Risk sticky you can label with ROAM on the team board or send it to the global risk board for further planning. The third type is Dependency. Dependencies you can copy to other team boards and to the program board. Step 4 is the Risk board. Here you can configure different sticky types for the risk board. For example, create your own color scheme for better overview. After that, you can configure the sticky types for the program board. I guess that's pretty clear. Press Next to go to the program backlog board. Here the same. Define your sticky types. The color for taken means that if you assign a team to a feature, the sticky will get this defined color. This way, you always have an instant overview which features or enablers already get planned by a team and which don't. The program board sticky type drop-down defines the sticky type an assigned sticky should get after it appears on the program board. Now press Next to go to the iterations. Here you name the different iterations and define the start and end dates of them. Put in the first date and everything else will get filled out automatically based on the iteration duration in days you defined at the beginning of the session creation. Press Next. Now you are ready to go. Download the latest version of the PI Planning app. You can also invite your teams. Our experience showed that it makes sense to invite the Scrum Masters so they can share it with their team. Press Finish Setup Process and start the PI Planning app. Log in and see the planning session you just created. You can always go back to Save PI Plannings and press Edit if you need to change something important. Well, that's the brief overview. If you want to learn it in more detail, check out our other tutorial videos by pressing Learn again and then press Video Guide. This brings you directly to our playlist with all the videos dedicated to the PI Planning app.